Hi guys, Emma here. I was trying to come up with different intro, but I kept saying the same thing. Anyway, for today's video, I'm just gonna talk about how to apply a toner. Because I recently got a new toner from a brand which is called TM, and the product name is Vita, I don't know how to read it. Refreshy toner. In this video, I just want to talk about 3 ways to apply a toner because I feel like I've using this toner around more than 1 week. Before using it, I didn't use a toner. I just don't like the feeling of applying toner at first, and second, I have to say that, but I feel kind of embarrassed. I don't want to spend that much money on buying, just a bottle of water. I feel like it's just a water. So that was kind of my limited thought, limited belief. But after incorporating a toner into my skincare routine, I feel the difference. My skin get more moisturized, and I don't know, I just feel the way better after starting to use a toner on a daily basis. So if you don't use a toner and if you don't know the benefits, and if you just want to know some information about skincare, I feel like you are at the right place. So I'm just gonna share 3 ways to use a toner. And before getting into the topic, I got a new Flannel shirt, you can see. And I also made a video about how to wear this Flannel shirt for fall, so you can go ahead and check it out. So I put the card on the screen here so you can check. Anyway, without much further ado, let's get right into it. So at first, you can just use your hands to apply a toner. So there are 2 types of toner, right? Thicker type of toner, and the other one is kind of watery type of toner. But I want to talk about watery type of toner because I love watery type of toner more, because I already use essence, so I feel like watery type of toner make my skin kind of ready to absorb other products. Does it make sense? So at first, you can use your hands. There's a pump here, so you can just take 1 or 2 pumps and you can just splash that onto your face. So by using hands, you can instantly moisturize your skin. Then second, you can also make a base for other skincare process. So I can see the difference between applying a toner and not applying a toner. This guy makes my skin kind of as a base for my moisturizer. So that's the first way. And the second way is you can also use a cotton pad. Using a cotton pad has different purpose. For me, at least, I use a cotton pad whenever I want to make sure all my makeup is removed. So whenever I have a heavy makeup like this, so I just, take one of my cotton pads and soak that in with a toner and just rub that in onto my skin. That's a good way to just double check your makeup is totally gone on your face before hopping into the bed. And that's also a good way to kind of exfoliate your skin in a not severe and harsh way. Cotton pad kind of, exfoliant. Sometimes that really strip away my face because that's too harsh. But just toner is okay. So same toner, but I can use that for different purposes. So I just love using toner a lot. And I feel like I can also use cotton pads to moisturize my skin too, but that takes longer time. So you can prepare a bunch of cotton pads and soak them in. You can put them on your face for around 10 minutes, and all the good ingredients of the toner is gonna getting into your skin, so that's gonna make your skin glow and moisturized. But I really use that, to be honest. I just want to talk about that because you can get some information out of that. And the last way you can use a toner is using a spray bottle. That means that you have to transfer your toner into a spray type of bottle. You can get that at any beauty store, I guess. If you like watery type of toner, I think you can also use that as a mist with a spray bottles, so you can take that along with you. The purpose of using a sprayed bottle, you don't make your hands wet. That's really convenient, and you can use that outside. And sometimes mist could be expensive, so I think that's gonna bang for your bucks. Those things are all I want to talk about for this video. I hope you guys like it. I told you guys I rarely buy new things. I'm so cheap. So my skincare routine was kind of limited. I've got many products to test them out. So thank you, Tia, for sending me this one. And you can also read my review about this product on my Instagram, so you can go ahead and check that out. Literally, I found a new way to take care of my skin and myself. Toners are not that cheap, but definitely they do their job. And also, that's gonna build up the base before applying your moisturizer, so you can get more use out of your moisturizer. Yeah, so these things are all I share for today's video. If you guys like it, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Follow me on Instagram, and I keep posting some beauty review kind of things on Instagram, so if you guys like it, I will be uploading more and more. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and let's talk about more fun stuff, you know, beauty, fashion, all the good jazz. The reason why I talk about applying a toner, as I mentioned, it really works, so maybe you can try it if you have a dry skin and if you want to moisturize your skin enough during the fall season. Fall kinda makes our skin dry. So anyway, as always, I hope you guys have a beautiful, wonderful, great day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!
Somebody come get me. I feel